Today is day 2 in Lake District, and we are going to Aira Force waterfalls today. And I'm just here waiting in the car, waiting for our friends to get ready. Hope the weather is gonna be alright because it looks very cloudy and it's not really warm, and I can't see the sun at the moment. Hopefully later on when we get to our destination it'll be nice and sunny and it will be warm, because at the moment it's a little bit chilly. So wearing a waterproof ready just in case it will rain, because that's the forecast. It's about light shower forecast today and a light breeze, so that will be chilly. So see you later. There's Olivia and Amy playing the ball. Hi Marie. Hello.
I was about to use dress now.
Looks nice, the view. I thought we were supposed to be going at 10.
I know. We are ready at 10. You are not.
We are?
Oh no.
We're just waiting. Look at them, they still look.
We are waiting for so long. I said, oh
That's what I just said. It's already 10 o'clock. You need to get out there.
Yeah, you know what? I was awake 7:30.
Do you mind if I video you?
No. I cooked. We ate. Did you cook?
No.
Uh-huh.
There's Grace. She's ready. Look.
She's ready.
Sure.
You need to share the money you earn from YouTube.
I'm not earning.
What time did you wake up? 8? Why? We're waiting for so long. And later, I couldn't sleep. I changed to a no sleeper. Yeah. I slept properly and then I wake.
There's. Stop popping now.
Nobody touched the home, babe.